Smart Store Manual Self-Service Cashier Scheme. Part 1 Display of Manual Terminal Settings. First, add cashier account. Second, cashier account login and efficient operation. Third, new products. Scan the code to enter the commodity barcode and enter the commodity name. Classification. Fourth, add weighing goods. Click to automatically generate commodity barcode. Enter the name. Classification. Fifth, product search. Click Search Commodity Library. You can complete the commodity query by scanning the commodity barcode. 6. New members. Enter the customer's mobile phone number to complete member registration. 7th, view sales reports. You can view sales records. 8. System settings include general settings, printer settings and scanner settings. Enter the corresponding device address, model and merchant. Click Save. Part 2 Client Shopping Display Brush Face Shopping. Align the goods with the scanning port and scan the code for entry. Self-input member. Select Face Payment. Print small ticket to complete shopping. Washed payment. Gently scan the barcode of goods at the scanning port. To live shopping, scan mobile phone. Alive payment code. Complete shopping. The following is a demonstration of weighing goods shopping operation. Place the weigh goods on the weighing table. Cashier adds weighed goods. Users can choose their own payment method to complete shopping.